channel. Today I went to Ikea and my Shein package arrived as well. I don't have many things I bought, but one of my favorite things in it, so I thought why not unbox it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's unbox the first thing. It's the letter pegboard. These are the letters and these are the emojis. The plastic, I already unboxed it. The thing that Ikea gives for how to, fix it and everything. Not fixing it right now. We also, where is it? We also have a small bag. Yeah, bag. We also have a small bag in which we can keep our letters. It's cute. It's just, and we're done. It's nice. And we also have this is for if you want to hang it on your wall. And this, I am not sure if I am correct or if this is also used for hanging, but I think at the back we have these things, right? And on the other side we have this. This thing comes out. I don't know what it's for though. Pretty sure it's for hanging it on the wall. So the holes which are there, you just put it in like this, and then it stays like that, like this. It can also stay like this because this thing is here. Here also holes are there, so you can have it both horizontally and vertically. Okay, so I was kind of confused in the start as to am I supposed to break these or not, because what if I break them and that's not what you're supposed to do? So I tried with edge and it broke. I mean, it didn't break, it just came out of the thing. This is how it looks. Can you see me through the holes? I don't think. I can see though. Different kinds of emojis. And then we have two letters. Two letters. I don't know what it's called, really. The whole thing. Then here, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This confuses me. This right here. Am I supposed to take the whole thing out or just these? I think these are, what are they? Like, this is plus, fine. This, how am I supposed to take this out? Like individually, one in one, or just the whole thing? Anyways, let's take out what we know for now. Twist, 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 and pull. Oh, we have A successfully taken out. I'm just very happy. This is, I saw this online and I wanted it at the time. Okay, I don't like this. The thing that stays. Guess you cannot do anything about it. I'll take out all the other letters now. done with almost 2 rows. I'm done. Sorry for the quality. I'm shooting on my phone. This is what I have. These are, wow, I can't believe I did so much of work and this is what I have. Only this many letters. And what I have to go through? This. Is it clear enough? Anyways. Make sure these small ones, they don't get lost when you're, you know, don't be like me, don't play with them because the small ones will get lost. I'm just finding the small ones here and there. God. Emojis. Okay, I'm in love with the emojis because they not only have the standard, these face emojis. Oh, the dude guy. Like, here's the gift one, the chashma, the shades. Then there was one, where is it? See these. And they're also nice. Oh, the extra, not the extra letters, like, they have something on top of them. These, these ones, like, I don't know, they when you keep clicking on one letter, you get them. And these, I have no idea what these are, but they look cool. They're for some reason there. I know we have a thumbs up. We have a thumbs up as well. Give my video a thumbs up as well if you liked it. The car, it's so small and cute. Oh my god. A house. Then we have a phone call thing. Tring tring. Are these small L's? What are they? Okay, they're not small L's because what are these? I don't feel like taking them out. I love them that much, like just on there, lined up so neatly, organizedly. That's not a word. It's not a word, but I know you understood what I meant. So like, it looks so pretty there, like this. I don't want to take it out. Oh. I just yeeted some of the letters. This is how it looks from the front. Can you see it? I don't know. I hope you can. Like, yeah. Oh wait, that's the back. Can you see this? We're done with this as well. 2 done. It just felt like subscribe would be empty, so I just put a smiley emoji there. Oh wait. Let's put, I see you. Oh, this is better. I like this. Ah, isn't this nice? Oh my god, I love this. Next, I bought this. It's cute. My sister said it looked like Mr. Bean's teddy bear. All the others were animals mainly. I like like this one, so I bought this. It's tail. It's not really its tail. I'll have to cut this later. Just bought it, so it's so fluffy, it's so cute. This is how it looks. What does it look sad? Okay, it's just grumpy like that. Legs. Then another thing I found in Ikea was this. Maybe you've already seen it, maybe it just came in the Ikea that I go to. Like, you know, normally the frames that we get in Ikea are like these, right? Like these just... Right. I've only seen these kinds of frames there. But I found this one and it's like this. It has the frame and then the picture in it. You just I shouldn't have taken it out. Anyways, and then put it here. Done. From inside, when you open it, I don't know if you can see it, but like this thing, this is where the frame stays. It just fell because this one is supposed to stay on the other one here, right? Like that. Now it is okay. It closed. See, it makes a noise. It's a nice frame. It stays like this, of course, and it has a different color than the normal white one here. And you know, like you do this and the frames just come out. In this it doesn't, you know, like no matter what you do, you have to open it for it to come out. Yep. Now the other thing are bath bombs I bought. Of course, they're not from, what is it called? Ikea. It's not from Ikea. Bath bomb, that's all that's written there. The package, the box are so pretty, like, you know, they're ombre kind. Like the box is a bit damaged from here. It's online shopping, of course. Bath bombs. I bought it from Shein. This is how it looks. This I think is the blue one. I don't remember the flavor of the blue one. Oh, both say relax and enjoy. I thought there might be a flavor. Oh, it has an expiry date. 2024. Why would I keep it till then? And this I think is the purple one. I have a feeling that this is the purple one. Let's open the purple one first. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, it's the purple one. Yes, it's the purple one. This is I don't even have to, like, you know, do like this to smell it. I just open the box and it's just, you know, I can smell it without even. Here you can see these are lavender. This is lavender, even at the back. Because of the light, the color's not seen. Wait, let me try switching off the light. The color is visible. See, it's purple. It's very pretty purple, and there's white here with lavender. Even here there are, you can see, right? At first I was like, why is there another box inside a box? Because I opened it. Why is it not closing? And I saw it like this. I was like, why is there another box? But it opens up like this. This is the blue one. It's obvious since we already opened the purple one. Oh, okay. It's just, they're very delicate. So I don't know. What if they break while I'm trying to, like, yes, I'm playing with them, but like, you know, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna catch them in the box. We don't know what's gonna happen to them. My favorite color, this is blue. and I have no idea what flavor the blue one was. I just bought it because it was my favorite color. I was like, blue? It's pretty blue? We're buying it. This is, it has see, blue the whole thing, then white, and then inside the white also blue is there, which is very, I don't know if it's seen in the camera, if the pretty blue is visible, the pretty purple. Was the pretty purple visible? Was the pretty blue visible? Tell me in the comment section below. Anyways, let's put it back inside. We'll open it when I go for a bath. That's all for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification icon to get a notification every Thursday for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. See you guys next week. Bye!